Hey guys, Mrs. Kaufman here. How are you doing today? Go ahead and answer these questions on the quick check. Okay, here are the answers. How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal to useful? So today we're going to learn about inequalities and they might have more than one solution. Inequalities use the symbol as less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. When it has this little line underneath it like that, it means or equal to. So it could be greater than, or it could also be equal to in the answer. So don't let that worry you. We'll talk about it a little bit, and hopefully you will understand quickly. So anytime we use a greater than or less than sign, it's not equal, right? Because if we use this and we say 5 is greater than 3, we're certainly aware that 5 does not equal 3, and that's what an inequality is. Two things on each side of an equation that are unequal. And so our vocabulary word today is inequality. So inequalities, let's go over some of what these symbols mean. So this is our less than sign because we read sentences from left to right in English, and so this is a less than sign because what's on this side is less than what's on that side. Okay. It also, another way of saying it is fewer than. Here's an example, 3 is less than 5. Okay, this is greater than because again we read sentences from left to right, and so we'll see that 8 is greater than 4. Another way of saying it is more than 4. Now here we have it with the line underneath, and that means something is less than or equal to, or is at most. 7 is less than or equal to 10. The most it could be is 10. It's greater than or equal to, or is at least. So 12 is greater than or equal to 9, or 12 is at least 9. Doesn't exactly make sense with just the numbers, but when we get into the equation part of it, that will become more clear for you, I hope. Okay, so of the numbers 6, 7, or 8, which is a solution of the inequality f plus 2 is less than or 9? So we replace f with each of the numbers, okay? So we're going to put those in there. So f plus 2 is less than 9. 6 plus 2 is what to 9? 8 is less than 9. That's a true statement. F plus 2 is 9. Let's replace f with 7. And we get 9 is less than 9. Nope, that is not true, right? Because 9 is equal to 9. So then if we replace f with 8, we get 10 is less than 9, which is not a true statement because we know that 10 is greater than 9. Since the number 6 is the only value that makes a true statement, 6 is a solution of the inequality. Is the given value a solution of the inequality? Excuse me. X plus 3 is greater than 9, and x is equal to 4. So what we've got to do is substitute the 4 for the x, right? So x plus 3 is greater than 9. That's our inequality. Now we're going to make the substitution. Is 4 plus 3 greater than 9? 7 is not greater than 9. Since 7 is not greater than 9, 4 is not a solution, right? It doesn't work there. Can you think of an answer that that does work there? What would be greater than 9? Is the given value a solution of this inequality? 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x, if x equals 8. So we're going to write down the inequality. 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x. Is 17 greater than or equal to 11 plus what number? Okay, so see for here for the x, we've substituted in the 8. Okay, 17 is not greater than or equal to 19 when we simplify that or kind of solve that out. So since 17 is not greater than or equal to 19, 8 is not a solution. If is the given value a solution of the inequality? 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x. We're going to write the inequality. Okay, didn't we just do this one? I have to hop back. Did I hit the wrong button? No, it gave us the same one twice in a row. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's move on past that. We already know the answer to that. Okay, here's number 5. Louisa works at a gift shop. She receives a bonus if she makes more than 20 balloon bouquets in a month. Which months did Louisa receive a bonus? We're going to use the inequality b is greater than 20, where b represents the number of balloon bouquets made each month to solve. So in July, she sold 25, in August 12, September 18, and October 32. So we're going to use the guess, check, and revise strategies to kind of use what you know. Figure it out. Try 25. You're going to substitute in the number sold for the b. B is greater than 20. So we're going to substitute what she had in July. Is 25 greater than 20? Yes. Try 12. B is greater than 20. Is 12 greater than 20? No. Let's do it again with September's total, which is 18. No. Now we're going to do it with October's total, which is 32. And the answer is yes. 32 is greater than 20. So Louisa received a bonus in July and October. How did what you learned today help you answer our essential question? How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal to useful? Here's a thought on that. Okay, here's your ticket out the door. Determine if 4, 5, or 6 is a solution of the inequality. And once you've done that, I'd like you to write a summary and, of course, a question. And again, if you don't have a question about how to do the assignment, then you should write a question that is a word problem regarding the assignment so that I can know that you know how to get this done. So thanks, you guys. Have a good day.